Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make trend line dash in Google Sheet step by step. First of all, open your Google spreadsheet, then select all data with headers, insert tab chart, find line chart, customize series, trend line, line type dash, point size 2 pixels, 10 pixels, or use none. Okay, example use 10 pixels. Then add error bars, data labels, show r square, use equations, etc. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Since color. Okay.